video, I'm going to show you how to make pallet shelving for our yard, for our garden. And we have a pallet here. Actually, this is one only, and we cut it by half. Okay. And what I did yesterday, because I started yesterday, I just find it with sandpaper yesterday, and I cut the nail from here because it has some nail over here. I did it yesterday, so we're going to continue to make it. And today is we're going to put some shelving here. This is the other one. It's a bit big when I put there on on the wall, so we just need a small one. So we plan to use this one, and we're going to use this some other time. We're thinking what we're going to do for this, but for now, let's work on this one. Okay, so we're done screwing the first shelf. So as you can see, it's quite strong now, and as you notice, this is not really, we didn't cut it, we leave it as like this. This is just a piece of wood like that. We didn't cut it. It's not important, it doesn't matter, so it's okay. We're done, and we're just going to do the rest of the shelf, and we're going to show it to you later. Okay, so this is what we finished. I'm really happy to screw this too because the driller is quite heavy, and I need to hold the pallet, so he has to screw it. So far, this is what we did. Is it cute? And it's really strong. So what we're going to do, the last thing is to burnish it so it will protect the wood, and the screw is really good. And we will just keep you updated for once it's done. yun lang ang video natin for today. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you sa YouTuber Friendship and IBT Group and United Filipino Netherlands Group. Thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusupport sa aking channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, and share. Ang ingay ni Dylan. And see you on my next video. Keep safe, everyone. Good vibes. Bye.